Mastering dangerous tasks, the art of juggling chainsaws. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a particularly vivid and intriguing phrase, juggling chainsaws. This expression is a powerful example of how English speakers use hyperbole to convey complex ideas and emotions. So, let's get started and uncover the layers behind this phrase. At first glance, juggling chainsaws might conjure up literal images of someone attempting to keep multiple running chainsaws in the air. However, it's important to understand that this phrase is almost never used literally. Instead, it's a metaphor that describes taking on tasks or responsibilities that are extremely difficult, dangerous, or risky. The concept of juggling, on its own, suggests handling several objects or tasks at once. When you add chainsaws into the mix, it amplifies the difficulty and danger, highlighting the high stakes and skill required. This phrase can be used in a variety of contexts, from personal life to professional settings. For example, someone might say they're juggling chainsaws when they're managing multiple high-priority projects at work, trying to balance a busy family life with a demanding job, handling tasks that require great care and attention to avoid serious consequences. It's a way to express the intensity of a situation or the magnitude of the challenges faced. However, it's usually best used in informal settings or when you're trying to convey your point with a bit of dramatic flair. While juggling chainsaws is a vivid and impactful phrase, it's crucial to consider the context in which you use it. Because of its hyperbolic nature, it might not be appropriate in very formal or sensitive situations. It's also important to ensure that your audience understands the metaphorical use of the phrase, to avoid confusion or concern about literal chainsaws. Moreover, this phrase can be a great tool for language learners to explore the use of metaphors in English, enhancing their ability to express complex ideas in a nuanced and engaging way. We hope you've enjoyed this exploration of the phrase, juggling chainsaws, and gained insight into its use and meaning. English is a language rich with metaphors and expressions that can add color and depth to our communication. Remember, mastering these phrases not only helps you understand native speakers better but also allows you to express yourself more creatively and effectively. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.